Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is Teresa from Sami. In this video we are making egg ornaments for a decorative spring or Easter bouquet. The link to the pattern is in the video description below. The materials needed are listed here, but you can also have another look at it in the PDF file. Put two of the egg side pieces right sides together each and sew them together along one side. Then we fold the ribbon in half and pin and sew it to the top of one of the egg halves so that the loop is pointing downwards to the center of the egg. Now we pin and sew both egg halves right sides together and leave a turning hole of about 1.5 to 2 inches on one side. We turn the fabric inside out and stuff the egg with polyfill. We can now close the turning hole with a ladder stitch. And then we are done with the first one at least. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you like, share your pictures in the Sami Facebook group. The link is in the video description. Thank you so much for watching and for sewing with me. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos if you like, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'd love to see you over there. See you next time. Bye!